I was looking for a handlebar mount for the DJI Mavic Air 2, but I couldn't find any online. I wanted to capture a drone video of me riding the scooter, but I wanted to make sure I could keep both hands on the handlebars. I also wanted to create some B-roll footage without me holding the controller in every shot. I searched for quite a while and never really found anything, maybe on one or two sites, but they were never in stock. I was looking into quad locks for an additional mount for my phones, and then I saw the universal mount and the idea kind of hit me. I could use the quad lock system, get an additional handlebar extender to put the controller exactly where I wanted it in the center to overcome the unique challenges of my mounting on the scooters. First, I'll show you the two main components that you'll need to make this work. The other parts that I used were optional. The first main component is the Out Front Mount Pro. It comes in two flavors, but you want the Pro version to ensure proper clearance. The top-down dimensions are shown here. And here's a look at the side dimensions and rise. The second key piece that you'll need is the quad lock universal mount. It has a very strong adhesive backing that you'll use to put on the back of the controller. The mount is just slightly larger than will fit, so I had to cut the sides off with an X-Acto knife, just trim a little bit off the edges so it would fit. Next, I'll just quickly show the two optional parts that I use to increase the flexibility of the mount. First is a handlebar extender. I use this to put it completely in the center because both of my scooter handlebars have obstructions where I can't really mount it perfectly in the center. And the second is the optional GoPro mount. I mean, who doesn't need an extra GoPro mount, right? Now I'll show a few clips with it mounted directly to the handlebar and with the handlebar extension to kind of give you an idea the variety of different ways you can mount it. And with the GoPro adapter, there may even be other ways that you could rig something to mount it to a GoPro mount. The mount itself is super stable, and the included spacers are really high quality. They're not cheapy plastic, and they really make it grip good on the handlebar. This mounting system was the perfect solution for me. It provided me a secure and stable mounting platform right where I needed it to be, and also allowed me to keep both hands on the scooter at all times. I hope this video will maybe help somebody else out solve their unique challenge of getting their DJI Mavic Air 2 controller mounted to their handlebar, be it a scooter, mountain bike, or even motorcycle. Be sure to let me know in the comments, good, bad, or ugly, what you think. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you when I see you.